do now is another tip to improving the life of your hub motor, is to apply a teflon lubricant to the rear cassette. Now, in Australia, especially Queensland, probably go for dry lube. This is a wet lube, but still effective, and we have had a bit of rain, so what we want to do is apply it liberally all here, especially the gears that you use the most, and along the chain, and also to the derailleur here. So what we want to do, generally you put something at the bottom there to stop it, and then I've got this off the ground.